Here I am again. I know it's been a couple weeks since I actually walked, but we walked at the Magic Springs over the weekend, and then we went to go look at those houses, so that was a bunch more walking that we did. So I'm going to count those as part of my exercise. So now it's Monday morning, walking again here at this rest area, trying to put in my 30 minutes. You know, the first 10 minutes is the hardest. Seems like everything wants to burn, everything wants to hurt. You get past that first 10 minutes, everything warms up. Seems to go a little bit better. So that's what I'm doing. We'll see you guys in a little bit. I got to get this walk done. All right. Well, I didn't walk anymore this week, and there's a big reason why. My plantar fasciitis in my foot, it's hurting like hell when I walk too much. So I guess I'm going to have to do my walking every other day or every third day and work on that, because it's really just kind of killing me. So I got to break into this whole walking thing again with the right shoes, which I have the right shoes now. And I ended up, I don't have them with me right here. They're in the front. They're the A6 gel, I forget which ones. They're almost the newest ones. They've got a new style coming out, and it's the one just back from that one. So they're working great for walking. And so anyway, I need to figure out something else to do to walk or to work out here in the truck. I've got my bungee here that I can use. I've got some weights that I can use. So I need to start doing that. I need to start doing basically just dips and do some sit-ups and other kind of stuff here in the truck to get my cardiovascular moving a little bit more. Aside from that, this weekend, I'm really not sure what I'm doing this weekend. I know I still got to put the 220 up. I'm going to probably spend some time with my daughter, go and run around, do something, probably go visit Aunt Lynn, and stuff like that. Funny story. Okay, you guys know I'm half Hispanic, half white. So me and my buddy Joe, not Airbag Joe, he's dead, God rest his soul, another Joe, we were talking about it. And know how in English they put to go ha 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 ha, it's H-A-H-A-H-A. Well, in Spanish, the J takes the place of the H. So it's J-A-J-A-J-A. So one is ha 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 ha, but if you say the other one in English, and you're looking at that, you're going, why did he say ja 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 ja? So we started thinking about it. You can put the English version, ha 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 ha, together with the Spanish version, ja 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 ja, and do them both together. And it turns out to be Hajahajahaja. God, I hope you guys find this as funny as we do, because it kind of like turns into a whole nother race of language. Hajahajahaja. So like the next time you guys are out, and if you're Mexican and white, or white and Mexican mixed like me, then you got to start laughing. Hajahajahaja. Okay, I'm done. I can't do it no more. Some of you may have seen that on my Snapchat. I put it on my Snapchat the other day. I thought it was freaking hilarious. On a side note, aside from that, I was in, where was it? Jefferson City, Missouri today. And there was all kinds of flooding. I was delivering to the state capital of Missouri. They needed copy paper, of all things. So I delivered copy paper to the state capitol, and then I did a little bit of walking around, and man, that Missouri River is up big time. Their whole downtown is flooded. All the low spots are flooded. It's kind of a pain in the butt to get around over there. But I really feel for everybody that's in all the different flood zones. I hope you guys can make it out with some of your things and being able to get the insurance money to be able to move forward. And I really feel for you guys. It's it's not easy starting over. I've done it plenty of times for other reasons, so I understand, you know, losing things and not being able to get things out of there in time, and then having to go back and clean up after it's all done. I mean, in fact, all these floodwaters haven't even receded yet. They're all still there. So, I mean, if you hear of somebody close by that needs help and you can help them, lend a helping hand. Because there's thousands of people that are out right now with their things gone. I saw up in Iowa, I saw there was a 25-mile stretch that it said no exits and no services. And it was every exit you go to, there's water on both sides. There was a house out there where they actually extended the road from the house out to the interstate because there was no way for them to get out of their house. So they actually filled in the ditch between the interstate and their house and made a road out. I saw another guy picking up his family off the service road with his tractor and his hay wagon to be able to take his family through the ditch of the water and all the way back to his house. I thought that was just freaking crazy. So anyway, there's a lot of things going on that's impacting everybody around. All the different too much rain, too much flooding. We had an extended snowstorm or snow season and cold season. So yeah, it's just pretty wild. So you guys take care of yourselves. We'll see you this weekend. I'm gonna try to get some more stuff cleaned up. Like I said, I'm gonna slow down. I want to do stuff with my family, do stuff with my daughter, and be able to get out and about. But at the same time, I'm gonna do a little bit here, a little bit there, and try to get the something done to the Ranger, a little something here and there. That way, I'm not becoming overwhelmed with everything and not being able to spend the time with my family. So you guys take care of yourselves. Follow me on Instagram, Tumblr, Twitter. Those ones really, no. Instagram and Snapchat and Facebook. That's where I'm at. That's where I'm doing everything on there, and it's all Earthscraper69. I have a fan page on Facebook. You guys can follow me there. And you can also find my regular page, which that's not hard. Lawrence Falcon Duarte is where I am. So stay good, and we will see you guys on the next video. Give some likes, some thumbs up, laugh at yourself if you don't. What's so good in living? Wake up every morning and smile. See you guys.